Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Saji Lotose and I'm back with another video for you guys. So I saw this pants on Pinterest and I like it. I like how it looked, and then I look at the pattern and yo, you can make this pants. Anyone can make this pants. It's so freaking easy. It's like literally 10 minutes 10 minutes pants. So before we all jump into that video, if you're not subscribed, please do so before you left. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. So let's go. So that's how I make my wrap pants. Bye.